Hello, today I would like to review the AEDAGA markers. So this is how they look. It comes with a really nice carrying case, and there's more here. So there's plenty of colors. Here there's some instructions as to how the app looks. Download the app, click on experience, and then you will be able to choose what would you like to color. This is like one example, and here there is a more fine marker example. So it is the same shade with a thicker and thinner point. Okay, so I would like to show you here there are some extras in case one breaks. All you have to do is get off the one that is in with pliers, stick in the new one, and you replace your nib. Also, I would like to show the app. This is how it looks. For example, I already click on experience. You can save it. You can also go back, choose different colors, choose different characters, and click your colors. It's very fun. It's very creative. Thank you for watching my video.